Alright, today here I have here in front of me, this is I went and made a VKS triple magazine. So I coupled three of them together. It's actually two 10s and a 15, so you get 35 shots in total. And it allows for quick reloading, if reloading's your thing. It's great if you got the distance, like outside. Not so great in close quarters, like in your house, like 10 feet away and stuff. It's possible, but not likely. It's better off having a drum indoors. I mean, even a 15 to 20 round mag is usually good, but if you can get more, the better, because if multiple guys come in. But anyways, yeah, so basically I got a bunch of M4 bolts and nuts. I just put them all through here. Solid as anything. Yeah, just they're not gonna break on you. Like, really solid in there. Yeah, I actually took this is what I have in my VKS right now. It's a magazine I made. It's an ADN paintball drum. Yeah, it's a horrible paint job, I know. It's yellow. I should have just dyed it. But anyway, I took one of these yellow magazines because they're a lot easier. I didn't want to ruin one of these 10s because the 10s are hard to get. These guys are a dime a dozen, so I cut one off right around here. Right about there. And yeah, this fits in my VKS. So the normal VKS mag, like I said, it's either you have a 15 or a 10. So this is a 25. So this is perfect for indoors. If you get one or two guys in, I don't know, three, you still have a chance. If you got three guys come in, 25 shots. Oh yeah, easily with that. Well, it's possible. You don't know, but it's better to have six. It's better to have that than six. But yeah, let me see here. I'll just kind of bring it over here for a second. Yeah, so just kind of, and I had to angle it because if you see here, I didn't want to put this like all in a straight line by longest or shortest, because this would have been down here and then it just would have been way the heck down here. So it would have been like super, super long. So I put it over on this side just to keep it shorter. And so that way it doesn't interfere and hit my tank. Because if I put it on the other side, it won't, like if the arch goes up this way instead of that way, well then I won't be able to put the mags in. But yeah, so see, we can start with that one. Then we can eject, and you can go right in here and just eject. Same thing right in with that one, really quick. So, boom, boom. Really fast reloading. Like, it's pretty practical for reloading, because you don't have to reach down into your pocket or anywhere, or you don't have to pull one off the back or out of your stock if you have that type of a setup. You always got them together, locked and loaded, so you have 35 shots this way. Now, I had a drum mag, a 42 round drum from ADN Paintball, which is this guy right here. King of drums, by the way, guys. These things are just flawless. They're sick. Never have any issues with them. But yeah, I actually took a TC68 from Umarex, the full auto. I took one of their magazines and I attached it through here. It's the same method. Just some nuts and bolts, and then I used some sheet metal. You can see. Look at the sheet metal and the bolts. Yeah, I know, horrible paint job. I would have loved to use one of these guys, but they're rare. Like I said, you can't find these no more, so I went with the yellow. I should have dyed it. I didn't have any on hand. I had the paint right there, so I might wash it off one day and redo them. Next time I dye something, I'll probably do that. I'll just get some Varsol out and wipe it down. But yeah, anyways, so that's pretty much it for this, guys. Just a quick one. Like I said, it's just a bunch of M4 bolts just drilled straight through. And yeah, that's it. It's solid. It ain't gonna break on you if it falls on the ground. It's fine. No, I'm not going to test it just for the hell of it. I'm not going to bother. But anyways, yeah, man. So this is what I got in there. Like, ever since replacing this with this, you see this in there, it just looks like this little rinky-dinky drum compared to this guy, the other one. But yeah, see, it's just a little guy, but 25 shots it holds, so it's great as far as I'm concerned. The more ammo you have, it's always better, man. Especially if you got like medium joules, or if you're only working with like 30 joules or 35 joules. Get yourself a big magazine, man. That's what I recommend. But yeah, to each their own. You guys all stay safe. Take care, guys.